We're going to take some homegrown goodness to the retail area. Just little tips and quirks of what you could do in the retail area to kind of link that homegrown goodness, everything being about the soil and soil association. I'm going to build. So I'm keeping my tulips in my little VIP jar. I've been digging. I've got some real mud and some real soil. And you can nestle a couple of your retail items in it. Cuticle oil works really well. With your bigger pots, something like your anti-age cleanse melt, bit of a shovel. You could have some spare seed packets to add into the display. And keep your little herb markers. These work really well. You could have them with, like, you can actually write product names on them. You could use them to mark where testers go. Our coconut spoon is quite nice because he's literally like a shovel. It looks like a spade. Don't forget your tulips. Obviously the problem with tulips is they're so beautiful, but they are not going to last quite as well, hence why they're going to be better in your water. And then my last one, my little rosebuds. So I've just used everything here that I had when I did my spring mani-pedi to add that soil vibe. I'm actually going to take one of these out because then I can see more of the soil. And there we go, some homegrown goodness retail.